So guys, I'm going fishing today at the estuary there for some mullet hopefully. But first I just wanted to stop by at this store to see if I could pick up some stuff that I needed. Right, so this is the spot right here, this bridge, and I don't know if you can see the shimmering. Every now and again there's a shimmering, and there are just lots of mullet right there, so that's perfect. Alright, so for bait I'm going to be using this shop bought bread, really cheap stuff, crumbles, it's nice and soft, it'll mould onto the hooks really well. So let's get it out there. So that's the first one right there. Just gonna go down here to this pier and see if I can see any fish around there. It's really frustrating. Oh my word! Oh, look at that. Yeah, this is the fish that we're after. It's called a thick-lipped mullet. It's got sort of tiger-like stripes down the side. Pull it in and see what's happening. I just put some new bait on this one. It got taken off again. Alright, so I'm here now, and look, right there is a lot of fish. Because they're everywhere, like all around. Okay. This is the spot, definitely. Nah, look at that. Just gonna try and go to the other side here. Looks like a couple of fish there. Oh, there's my float. Oh, something just hit my float just now. Oh, there it goes. Oh, damn it. I missed him. This is so frustrating. Alright, so I'm gonna try this spinner to see if I can confuse them and get their reactions to just go for it. There we go. Oh! I got one! I got one! I got a fish! Fish on! Woo! It took the spinner! It actually took it well. Alright. I got one. Oh, look at that. Finally got one on the spinner. Alright, up she comes. Come on. Woo! That's a nice one. That is a nice one. Alright, come on, buddy. Alright, finally got a fish on the spinner, would you believe it, of all things. That right there is a thick-lipped mullet. Ugh. Can't believe he actually went for the spinner. This is really strange. I did not think that these fish would eat that, but they did, so that's a big positive. Oh, got one. Yeah, got another one. Got a fish on. Woohoo! Got one. Got one right there. Another one. Just walk it to the end of the bridge. Alright. That was awesome. Okay. Oh, this one looks like a slightly better size as well. Oh. Okay. Alright, up we come. Alright. Just gonna try and grab it. There we go. Alright, this is a even bigger one. This one was actually hooked pretty badly, but this man, wants to take it home and eat it. So I'm gonna do what's right for the fish because it was hooked badly, and I'm gonna give it to this man. Alright, so this is the fish. It's a mullet. This is a thick-lipped mullet. Look at this. That's a beautiful fish right there. Beautiful. Alright. Adios.
Ciao.
But every person that fishes for mullet knows bread is the bait to use. However, I switched over to this spinner and they've taken the spinner not once by luck, but actually twice in a row, which proves that they're actually going for it, you know, which is I never thought that fish like this would go for that, but apparently they do. So there we are. Come on, let's have a lucky hat trick. Oh, got one, got another one. Oh, it's off. Oh, I don't believe it, it got off. Let me just show you. The lure I'm using is this is a Jarvis Walker Dart 2, and it's just a pretty simple spinner, and this is doing the trick. So oh, they're right there. The idea is to creep up on them from behind, I think, but there's still a lot of them here, so